To Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne,
And my name is Manish.
and if you like Manish and crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe
Hit the
button.
subscribe button.
So
Hmm.
today, I have some news on Bitcoin. Just wanted to share for the new people who are getting introduced. So Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency, currently holds 50% of 11,000 coins, crypto, in the space, and it has been on a wild ride since the creation in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto. Of course, he goes by a very secret identity. No one knows who he is. It could be a group of people, and that is yet to be seen. Now, earlier this year, the price of one Bitcoin surged up to about 60,000 US dollars, an eightfold increase in 12 months. Then it fell to half that value in just a few weeks. Now, values of the cryptocurrency such as Dogecoin has risen and fallen even more sharply, often based on Elon Musk's tweets. Even after the recent fall in their prices, the total market value of the cryptocurrency now exceeds close to $2 trillion, a staggering amount of critical objects that are nothing more than computer codes. Now, are cryptocurrency the wave of the future and you should be using and investing in them? Is the question that most people are asking. And do the massive swings in prices, nearly 1 trillion was wiped off of their total value in May 2020, that created a trouble for the financial system. So Bitcoin was created as a way to conduct transactions without intervention of trusted third parties such as a central bank or financial institutions. Its emergence amid the global financial crisis, which shook the trust of banks and even governments, as it was a perfectly timed entry. Bitcoin enabled transactions using only digital identities, granting users some degrees of anonymity. This made Bitcoin the preferred currency for illicit activities, including recent ransomware attacks. It powered the shadow darknet of illegal online commerce, much like PayPal helped the rise of eBay by making payments easier. As it grew popularity, Bitcoin became cumbersome, slow, and expensive to use. It takes about 10 minutes to validate most of the transactions using the cryptocurrency, and transaction fee that has been the medium of about $20 this year. Bitcoin unstable value has also made it a medium of exchange. It is through the $10 bill could buy you a beer one day and a bottle of fine wine on another. Now, moreover, it has become clear that Bitcoin does not offer true anonymity. The government seeks, success in tracking and retrieval part of Bitcoin ransom paid to the hacking collective DarkSide in a colonial pipeline ransom attack that happened this year, and heighten the doubts of security and traceability of Bitcoin transactions. While Bitcoin has failed in the stated objectives, it has become speculative investment. This is puzzling. It has no intrinsic value. It is not backed up by anything like gold or the currency. Bitcoin devotees will tell you that it is like gold. Its value comes from the scarcity. The Bitcoin computer algorithm mandates a fixed cap of 21 million digital coins, and 19 million have already been created. And based on the halving that we will have every 4 years, we will complete the entire mining of Bitcoins by 2040. Now, despite their high valuation on paper, a collapse of Bitcoin and other currency is unlikely to rattle the financial system. Banks have stayed on the sideline as with any speculative bubble. The government conscious retail investors that, much like the GameStop saga, they act on at their own peril. There is not much more the government can or ought to do. Bitcoin transactions are processed by miners using massive amounts of computing power in return. Bitcoin network consumes as much power as an entire countries like Argentina and Norway, not to mention the mountain electronic waste from specialized machine used such for mining operations that burn out rapidly. Whatever Bitcoin's eventual fate, it's blockchain technology, as what Michael Saylor has said, is he is only interested in the blockchain technology. It is truly ingenious and groundbreaking. Bitcoin has shown how programs running on networks can be harnessed to securely conduct payments within and between countries without relying on financial institutions that charge a high fee. The technology makes payments cheaper, quicker, easier to track, and would be benefit consumers and businesses, facilitating both domestic and international commerce. The technology is without risk. Facebook plan to issue their own crypto called Diem, intended to make digital payment easier. But unlike Bitcoin, Diem would be backed fully by the reserves of the US dollars or other major currencies, ensuring stable value. While Bitcoin's roller coaster prices garnered attention or far more consequences, it is a revolution in money and finance, and it has set off and will ultimately affect every one of us for the better or worse.
Yep. Nice explanation, Wayne. I think you covered a very good thing here, and how technology changed the decentralized way of managing money. There is no financial institution. It's just a core technology behind this entire project.
Amazing technology.
Amazing. You can
Right.
cross border money transfer, the payment transparency, like complete transactions are transparent. We can find out who and when we have transferred it, the entire details. The technology behind is amazing.
Yeah, I mean, and then also we spoke a lot, Manish, especially now as we are coming up to the bull run. We are at maybe at about
Mm,
47, 46,000 from the very
yeah,
low of 30,000 since May. And we have Taproot, sorry. Was it
taproot.
Taproot, right? They will be coming
Yeah,
up
taproot.
to enlightening networks to make it more fast and all that. And yeah, it will be the Go 2.0. And we also spoke that Web 1.0 was mostly the user going to retrieve information from the website. Then Web 2.0 was social media that came
Social
in. You had
media.
all the Facebook, Twitter, and all that. And today, blockchain technology is considered as the Web 3.0, and we are still very early in the adoption. That's why there's a lot of there's risk. It's still not considered as a full financial asset yet. It's considered as a digital goods. That's why India is trying to tax, right, Manish, on
Yeah, tax on the digital
right,
goods. Yeah.
as
As
a
of now,
digital
they do
goods.
not have any tax policy for the cryptocurrency, so they are
Yet.
adopting the existing one, which is a digital goods.
Right. So we are starting to see this growing trend, like how we saw in in the very early 90s, when we were born. We came into that age of the web. So
Yeah,
this is something that, again, history is repeating itself. We are in Web 3.0, and that's something that we can look for in the future. So that's all I have today. Just wanted to share a history about Bitcoin. Thank you, Manish. Back to you.
yep. Okay.
So while Manish sets up what he has on today, join us daily live on YouTube and Facebook, 9 p.m. Singapore time, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time if you're based in the US. And if you like money and crypto, make sure to smash the subscribe button. Manish, back to you.
Yep. So So today I'm going to cover about the methods to safely earn cryptocurrencies. Why I shared the website root zones, because all these methods, article and post and how to's are already there in our website. It's just you have to go to category over here, and you can browse through all these earning. And most probably I'll be coming up with the article also, that where we just all consolidate in one article and we'll share with you guys. But today, just go through the method of safely earn cryptocurrencies. And I'm sure there are a couple of methods you might have not heard about it earlier. This is the first time we are going to discuss about it. So let's face it, everyone want to earn some cryptocurrency. We don't want to miss out on another spike in the price of crypto coins. But the cryptocurrency market is uncertain, and most of us don't want to risk losing our hard-earned money. Here are some the best way to get your hand on some crypto coins at a minimum risk. All right, so I'll start with the traditional earning method, which is earn cryptocurrency by buying. So this is the most straightforward way to earn cryptocurrency. Is just like with most of the thing in a life, we buy it in a low, and then we hold it for some time and wait for the price to go up and then sold it out. This is one of the safest way. Even grandma also can adopt it to buy this. Okay, so it's usually um, avoid to buy so exchange such as Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken, and most of the time the process is straightforward. All you have to do is sign up for account, verify it, and you are good to go. However, some exchange require the verifications from your bank, and this process can take up several weeks. Like if you are going in Singapore, if you are going through with Expert and other account, you might need to wait for some time. If you are not in hurry, you may want to check the sign up and verification process or buy with crypto cash directly. Number two, start mining cryptos. You will get this article also in our Zone page, but I'm working on the consolidated earning article also. Great way to get some crypto coins, but it does not work all for all. Most people believe that the mining is about obtaining as many coins as possible for yourself, but the whole process is a bit more different. Though mining, a person use a computer to solve complex mathematical equations with a valid block of transactions. All the cryptocurrencies are already created inside a protocol. They just need to validate to become available to the market. As a reward, the first person that validate it receive a fragment of a virtual token he validated. But what do you need to start mining? First of all, it depends on your what you want to mine it. While Bitcoin mining requires high-end equipment such as ASCII and other can be with just a regular computer. But if you want to try your luck with Bitcoin mining, you don't have to invest thousands of dollars to get started. You can always join a mining network. All you have to do is pay a joining fee and then can work together with other members to mine. The only downside of that also have to split up the rewards. So I think probably in upcoming video I'll show you how to join this kind of group. Some of the best cryptocurrency that you can mine right now is of course Ethereum, then you have a Litecoin, you have a VET, Solana, and all those. Number three, earn crypto by staking. Okay, if you have got your eyes on some coin that you can't mine, don't worry. There is a still way to get from them. There is a two main method to validate blocks: proof of work, proof of stake. I think we have covered this already. While proof of work required user to mine the block and confirm the transaction through a computational power, proof of stake work totally different. In a proof of stake system, the person to confirm the creation of a new block is chosen in a dramatic way based on the number of coin he already holds. Staking looks a lot like a different game. The more coins you hold put into a staking, the more chances to have chosen the validate the transactions. I think we have also shown you in a Binance how you can the holding coins, you can put it for a stake and you can get a rewards as a cryptocurrencies. Number four, on crypto with DeFi yield farming. This is also we have covered in a previous streaming videos where we show you how to do farming using pancake swapping. So similar to that, known as yield farming or a liquidity mining. Decentralized finance projects comes with a reward system that resemble the bond market in a way. In the most straightforward understanding of this process, yield farming is a method of generating rewards from locking up a cryptocurrency. As you lock in your fund and grant liquidity to a DeFi tokens, you will get a rewards and interest. Depending on the project, you can get additional token beside the yield. Some of the most prominent DeFi's that you can mine right now is Compound, uh, Cuber Network, then you have a Ren, then you have a Pancake Swap, you have a Uniswap. So all these you can use for yield farming. Number five, join a few airdrops to earn cryptocurrency. Airdrop are a great way to taking early advantage of emerging projects. Most projects use airdrop campaign to gain an initial level of notoriety and create a community around their project. This is an excellent tactics because it helps crypto enthusiasts find out more upcoming projects while also providing them with a something of a value token. In the exchange for performing a specific set of tasks, user receives some of the project tokens. I think this part also we have covered in a Binance, where you can participate in a airdrop. Those the early projects, you can just participate in a airdrops, and you will be rewarded with their coins. Once the project hit the market, those tokens can be traded for other coins or sold for a cash. Some of the most common tasks include following their social media channels, sharing posts, signing up their platforms, competing of forms with their projects, downloading their apps. So these kind of task airdrops circulate to the people. Number six, this is something that you might have not heard of. Help promote projects through microtask. Microtasks are a very similar to airdrop, commonly known as bounties. They may be together with the airdrops, the simplest way of earning a crypto coins. Many startup companies offer crypto coins as a reward in exchange for performing various tasks. However, when compared to airdrop, micro tasks are a bit more difficult. The tasks are mainly promotionals, as they can take the form of creating a video review, writing a testimonial, writing a press release, distributing a promotional videos. These are There are some website which you can participate for airdrop and bounties. So if you're looking to stock up some emerging crypto coins, there are way you should get started. I'll give you a name of website: 99 airdrops, airdrops alerts, bounties alerts. All these websites you can participate for the micro task as well as the airdrops. Number seven, start freelancing and get paid in Bitcoin. However, you can take micro task one step forward and choose to get paid in Bitcoin or another cryptocurrencies for working. Countless platforms facilitates freelancing through blockchain technology. Most of them don't have any cost or a transaction fee. So employee receive a pricely that the employer pays. Freelancing is an excellent way of starting your professional career, and while it might be a bit risky to accept Bitcoin payment due to volatility, you can always opt for a more stable cryptocurrencies. If you are looking to get into freelancing business, here are a few places to start. Ethylance and cryptocurrencyjob.com. You can register your profile there and you will be able to start the freelance job based on a cryptocurrency. Okay. Number eight, accept cryptocurrency payments. Do you own an e-commerce website? If you would have seen in root zones, we have something called shop. We have a e-commerce website. As of now, we are accepting payment in dollars or any other fiat currencies, but we can also configure this to accept bitcoins, ethereum, and any other cryptocurrencies as well. So this is one idea. Mm, So if you own an e-commerce website, then it's your time to shine. Platforms such as Shopify or a WooCommerce allow merchants to accept cryptocurrency as a payment through their website. By the way, to let you know, guys, this website is also designed, the shop is designed with the WooCommerce. So WooCommerce allows accept more than 50 types of crypto coins, and Shopify goes even higher with more than 300. So probably Root Zone's also going to implement and going to accept the cryptos for this payments. And this process is not even complicated. Just a few clicks, and you will be able to configure your payment gateway. Number nine, join a network of publishers. Do you have a website? Uh, but it's not a e-commerce, then you can still earn some coins. Since Google banned or restricted crypto related business from advertising through the network, the advertising industry had to adopt. Countless cryptos and networks such as Coinzilla appear to fill the market's advertising needs. The platform created vast network of crypto publishers where the advertiser could place their banners. So in root zones, I just give you an example. It's a blogging websites. Here, if I want to place some ad from the crypto side, I just need to put a banner, and the website will get paid for that for putting the banners. So this is how you can earn joining a network of a publishers. Number 10, use cryptocurrencies and payment platforms. Digital banking is going forward and covering more and more if the needs of cryptocurrency users. So cryptocurrencies and payment platforms like crypto.coms now offer financial management applications that can help you to earn more crypto using the funds you already have it. Beside earning cryptocurrency from depositing and picking up the interest, you can profit from the cashback functionality. Number 11, I think I would not recommend, but you can still explore this. Some of the website comes with lotteries and gaming features like Pancake. If you go to the Pancake and Finance, you have a lottery features where you will use your cake to buy a lottery ticket, and if you won the lottery systems, you will be able to get a huge amount of cake or some kind of coin. So I think many of the websites provide these features. You can just choose it, any trustworthy website, and you can participate if you want it. Earn Bitcoin from the crypto faucets. One of the way to earn cryptocurrency without investing money is through faucets. It may take some time and determination, but in the long term, it will generate a decent revenue. There are many cryptocurrency faucets that you can join, and most of them pay in a Bitcoin or Ethereum. Those that pay out Bitcoin will reward their users with a Satoshi for every micro task, and those that pay out Ethereum will reward V. The system of faucets is quite simple to understand. You have to watch ad, complete survey, and play games to reward a small portion of a cryptocurrency. So quite interesting, guys. You can participate on the watching ads, complete survey. If you want more details about this, probably I can cover one video and give you the list of the legitimate sites which provide this kind of service. All right. So the final thought, we try to cover some of the safest method of earning. So that's why um, I think you can go through all these details in a root zone website, and probably related to this, the thing which I have explained it, I'm also going to bring a article for it. Okay, I want to share something interesting with you guys. Let me move on. I think I can, okay, I'm not, let me share it again.
So while Manish sets that up for the next segment, join us daily live on YouTube and Facebook, 9 p.m. Singapore time, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you like money and crypto, make sure to smash the subscribe button.
Yeah. So we all invest in a crypto and hold it for a longer time, and we always realize that we have purchased or we have invested on a wrong timing, and we have bought the crypto on a little higher rates. So in this section of thing, I'm going to show you what is the holding from the companies now, and what is the average cost per bitcoin. So I've selected here a bitcoin, and you can see MicroStrategy has almost BTC holding of 100K. All right. And then the average cost per BTC is 25,000. So you can see the Mr. Saylor would have purchased with each Bitcoin cost of 25,795. Similar to Tesla average cost per BTC is cost 34,700. And guys, you will be surprised to see more and more company buying even in a higher rate. They are so confident about Bitcoin. See, this company CTAS 50,000 per Bitcoin average cost, and they have purchased around 1,170 Bitcoins. So now also more and more companies are coming and buying Bitcoin, though the prices are very high. Let's look at the Ethereum. You can see, guys, Ether Capital Corporations has bought over 42 million of Ethereum, and the total holding is 43,000, and their average cost per Ethereum is 9,000 and sorry 965. But there are companies like a Mongo Inc. they purchased recently. in a higher price, 2,777, and they are holding around 146 Ethereum. So you can think companies, not individuals, companies are coming and investing even if the prices are higher for this Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Mm.
So that's all I have it, Wayne.
Thanks, Manish. Very interesting find. Also coming back to the first segment that Manish covered, I just wanted to share where we can also find the how-tos of some of things that Manish covered in terms of making money, and that's what Root Zones is all about. You can actually come to the home section and head on to learn cryptocurrency investing. This is where you can find all the how-tos. You have mining, you have a recent, we have this Royal Q, which is a trading robot, so it trades for you while you sleep safely, and we are bringing one of the top experts to come in this Saturday live.
Yeah.
Right, this Saturday live,
Yeah.
and so we can ask. So if you have any further questions that you want, do drop us a mail, because we will ask this particular expert based on Royal Q. We have also showed how to actually transfer Shiba Inu to MetaMask and so forth. But of course, in this video, I did share about the results, and the results wasn't that fantastic. So be careful when you are trying to trade to perform this, because I have not seen the value yet as of today. We also do trading on some of the altcoins. This is covered in the Bollinger Bands. You can use it with your Binance platform on your mobile phone anytime, because since the crypto space is 24/7. We covered Moon Nation, something that as a disclaimer, it's what we also invested in. It's a gaming plus NFT. They haven't launched the game yet, but we have seen a 0.1 cent, which we have got into 3 cents today. So that's a kind of a 3x already on the investment. And Manish also covered on certain things on the Binance, how to transfer to Binance. We also explained the difference between SMA and EMA, one of the things of locking stake, and how do you analyze a Bitcoin chart. So these are things that you can look, and if we haven't covered, do let us know. We will come out with the video for you guys. So we have about 80 videos right now, and close to 400 over members in the community. If you want to connect with us on Telegram, the link is down below.
And guys, don't forget, at some point of time, Root Zones is going to be a kind of university for the crypto knowledge. So you will get tons of videos, tons of content in our website, social media posts, informatical, then how to earn those how to's related contents, the crypto market sentiments,
Mm,
knowledge, everything we are going to share here.
right. And even tracking, Manish, we track
Oh, this
Bitcoin.
this I love this average tracker. I think
Yeah,
I just want to put it inside my mind rather
yeah.
just keep it in the desktop, because this is something is going to help us and plan our strategies of earning.
Right. It tells you the high tide and low tide for the last 7 years. So you can see most of the time from October to December, which we are coming to the final mile, is where you see the nice bull. So uh, continue to do dollar cost average to buy and to trade them off maybe before Christmas. Based on your risk appetite, there is risk in this. We are not a financial advice. It's more on the education to share what we have learned, earn, and give back to the community. So that's something to take note. So that with that, let me move on back to the segment of the markets. Again, amazing 72. We are seeing greed now that enter the market, because again, it is ushering into the bull run. Although Bitcoin hasn't hit its new high of 64,000, so that's something to get. Looking back, it was amazing that when we were in the C19, pre C19, right, or during C19, then we had a very nice bull run, 64,000, and a drop since May, and all the fear that came into the marketplace in terms of the news. But look, in just less than 1 week, we shot back up. So the confidence again is restored. Money has poured in. Vice versa, even on the stock market side of things, nothing to share much. Same business as usual. Of course, we are still keeping eyes on the federal government interest rates, because that will affect where the money flows. And we are expecting the money to flow to crypto as well as gold. So today, not so looking good. Of course, Bitcoin's holding 50% based on the block, right? You can see this is the whole 11,000 in this space. 50% with Bitcoin, about 20-30% Ethereum, and the following other coins. So most of them follow the mother, right? The mother, which is Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin goes down, most of the altcoins follows through. So that's something to take note in terms of the correlation. $2 trillion market cap, right? So money has poured in since the early, sometime in May was about 1.4 trillion, 11,000 cryptos, 395 exchanges. Bitcoin holds 43.6 in terms of dominance, and Ethereum 18.9. So let's see. In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is down slightly by 1.32. Ethereum is down by 1.15. BNB is down by 1.42. Cardano down by 3.25. USDT down by 0.09. XRP is down by 6.08. Dogecoin is down by 3.33. USDC is down by 0.03. Polkadot is slightly up by 3.79, and Solana doing fantastically amazing.
Oh my god.
8.70. Oh my, I remember,
If
man,
I
Manish
see this, if I see this, I just put my hand on my head, man. Seriously. I
although
could
we
have,
acquired, we didn't acquire
yeah, we
more,
didn't
right?
require. And we
So
know that this is a favorite coin. We were keep
favorite
on
coin.
mentioning it's a root zone favorite coin. I think from past 1 month we were mentioning this, but we have
Yeah, yeah,
stopped.
yeah. So amazingly
It's
they are
almost double.
double.
69.
Double, and the lowest I think was about 29 $30, and now it's going
Oh
to
my
hit
god.
70. So if you look on the right hand side, in the last 7 days, you can see mostly bullish.
And
So all,
if you filter out with just 15 days, you will see the difference. What
yeah,
was
yeah.
the
Let's
price?
let's let's do that. Let's do that. So Solana in 30 days was 164 thousand %. Let's see if I can do. Yeah, let's do 7 days. In 7 days, guys, 1 week, 68%. So that's the level of what we are talking, especially in the crypto space. Look at the percentage here. Most of us dream to actually get this,
And
like
so far our predictions, I don't know, we did some research, and so far our predictions are like in the dart. So
yeah.
whichever cryptos we have predicted, and it's flying like a rocket now. It's going to the moon.
Yeah. And mostly this comes through understanding the four things in investment. We always talk about the fundamentals, the technical, the cash flow, and the risk. So those are things that you always have to keep in mind when you are investing, especially in crypto, because in a single day, you can lose up to 50%. So if you can't stomach that kind of tolerance, then, maybe EFT would be the best approach, which it's coming out. Hopefully the federal government allows that, and then for those baby boomers, you can invest in crypto via your banks in your local currencies. Okay, let's look at the chart. So amazingly, we looks like the 50 is slowly climbing up, and the moving average 200. Maybe there will be that golden cross that we anticipated, slightly a bit off for shoot. We expected it to be in the mid of August. We slightly crossed it, so let's see if that happens. But however, if you zoom in, you can actually see on the single day chart, we are being supported by the moving average of 200. So that's a good sign. So most likely this channel would actually move up. I'm not moving it now because I'm still keeping eyes on Bitcoin trying to break the 40,000 mark. And I have actually plotted the next resistance, which will be at 50,000. So let's see. So good support at a 49,000. You can actually see that over a period of time there was a support here at 49. So if we break that and have nice support, we can see maybe the next run coming up to 64,000, breaking its new heights. Bitcoin, of course, for the people who just want to keep it simple, hodl, dollar cost average every month, just buy the Bitcoin, keep it
Companies
for
companies now also investing. Look at that.
yeah.
I just
Look at
showed.
look at this. So Manish pointed out. So yeah, most of them are US companies.
Mm.
MicroStrategy, of course, Michael Saylor, having 105,000, and that's only 0.5 of the 21 million cap. So you can see all the companies have owning the number of cryptocurrencies only in recent times, and banks started to open, countries starting to adopt. So all of these just created that wealth accumulation. And going back here, I also keep eye when the money flows from the market cap in 2 trillion. I'm always curious whether it flows to Bitcoin, whether some of it flows to Ethereum and all that. So if this currently now we are 870 billion, okay, 870 billion for Bitcoin. So if this hits 1 trillion, can you imagine where the price would be, right? So Ethereum, of course, has a lot more to catch up. They are only about close to 380, about 400, maybe about 50% of slightly less than 50%, about 40 over percent to reach that market cap. So things to look out for. Of course, recently Cardano made it to the top 10 because money flowed in to Cardano. They were previously dropped to 15, but now they overtake Uniswap. So those are things that you want to keep eye on in terms of the money flow. I'm keeping eye on, of course, some of my favorite coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum. We also buy BNB because a lot of our altcoins like Moon Nation. We actually use BNB to do the swapping. We also acquired Cardano, XRP. We also acquired a bit, but we are waiting for the litigation, the lawsuit. If they actually win the lawsuit, this thing is going to fly. Dogecoin, they had a breach with Ethereum. The programmer confirmed that in I think 2 days videos that we covered. So potential for Doge, of course, backing by two billionaires, Mark Cuban as well as Elon Musk. Polkadot did pretty bad. I mean, 50. They were at one point of time $50. They had dropped more than 50%. So that's something that, of
I
course, the
think we have to
networks is.
find out the news or reason behind this, and it's
Yeah,
not
so far
growing.
quiet, Manish. So far, nothing much happening on Polkadot, but I think yeah, let's do a deep dive a bit to find out what's happening. Of course, Solana, a great team, great vision. They learned what Ethereum could not deliver, and they built it before they took the plane off. Chainlink is another opportunity to look at. Yeah, BUSD, stable coin, and yeah, VET. So Manish always talks about VET. We are owners of VET also.
Yeah.
Aave is another good thing. Pancake swap, of course, we took that. That's something that is good.
So you
Of
look
course,
at that. That what time when
it,
we are staking, right? That time it was $13, thirteen point nine
$13.
five.
Yeah,
Now it's
yeah, we have it on record, so that's like a logbook. But look at Infinity. So Infinity is the somewhat like a
wow.
competition to to what is this MNG, 80
You know,
US dollars,
I feel
80
like
US dollars.
when you go to a certain mall and there is a sale going on, and that time you missed out the sale, and later the price goes up. Similar
Money.
is thing we are
Manish, in
feeling.
February, Manish, in
Yeah,
February this year, look at the price,
look
80
at the
cents.
price,
80 cents in February. Okay, January
and
31st,
thousand times now.
today, 80 US
And
dollars.
I suspect this is going to happen for MNG also.
Yeah, I mean,
You see the price, my god, it's jumping every day, and then stable 10% increase per day.
yeah, increase. So let's keep eye on it. I mean, we just got into it. You also covered in
Yeah,
the
have
previous video.
the entire trend for this Moon Nation game. Yeah.
Amazing. So yeah, so that's all I have. Oh, the hash rates is going up also. So miners in the North America side of things are also picking up. So we are coming back. Yeah, Mine is
Yep.
showing his MNG stash. So that's all I have today. Thank you guys for joining us. Do comment in the section below if you want us to cover anything. And we'll see you
Looks like
tomorrow,
it's
same
quiet
time.
today.
We'll
Yeah,
see you
looks
tomorrow,
like
same time,
quiet
same
today,
channel.
and then see you tomorrow. And if you have any further questions, to let us know.
Thank you.
Thank you.